Hello friends, welcome to ASV Max and Dynamic YouTube channel. I am Sebastian. Today I explain the concept about vector calculus. Before getting the knowledge, please all of you like and subscribe and share my videos to your friends. Then only you can get my YouTube video continuously. Okay, let me come to the content. I explained the basic concept of vector calculus. If A vector is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k and B vector is equal to P1i plus P2j plus P3k. This is one vector A vector, this is another one vector B vector. So using the two vectors, what are the ways we can find the value means first is a dot product, second one is a cross product. Dot product, how we can find the value means just you have to do the dot product I component and the ith, jth and jth, kth and kth means only values. Remaining I and j means you can get the zero values. So this is the value of a dot p vector. So a1 because ith and ith only value it is a 1. A2 and b2 means jth is 1. So in the value a2 p2 you can get it the value a3 b3 because k dot k is equal to 1. So a cross b vector means you have to find the determinant ith vector, jth vector, kth vector, but in the order is very important. A vector first means you should be write the value a. B vector, then b vector means b vector is first. Suppose p cross a means first you have to write the p, then a. Likewise you have to write it. How you have to find the value means ith you have to expand it this determinant means ith vector. So you put it the cross in the I. What is the remaining value means a2, a3, b2, b3. So first you have to do the multiplication of this first corner. This is a a2, b3 the values minus always minus. This is the a3, b2 this is another. So the next one in this is place matrix sign it is a minus. Minus j vector is equal to you put it the cross in the j. What is the remaining value? This is the remaining value. So you multiply a1 b3 then minus this a3 b1 plus you put it k means cross remaining the four values you first the corner always the first is this a corner a1 p2 then minus a2 b1. So this is the second corner. This is the value of a cross b vector. So already I told you how to operate the ith common. This is I have given I vector dot I vector equal to 1, j vector dot j vector is equal to 1, k vector is equal to 1. So I vector j vector is equal to 0. When you multiply the same vector in the dot product you can get it the value 1. But in the different vectors I vector dot j vector means 0, j vector k vector means it is 0, k vector and I vector means always 0. Then in the cross product you have to read the symbol not in the multiplication. In the vector calculus the symbol is a cross product. So I cross j is equal to k value, j cross k is equal to I value, k cross I equal to j value. So once in the cross product you have to get it the value of the different vector. The order is ith, jth, k. So this is order. So you see I, j, k. Then j, k, I. This is order. K, I, j. This is the order. So if you get it any order change means immediately you can get it the negative. For example, instead of I cross j, but you are getting j cross I means you have to put it in the minus k. K cross j, but the order is j cross k only order. But in the order change means you will get the negative I. K cross I only order, but here you are getting the value I cross j equal to minus j. So this is very important of the when you find the operation of the a cross b you should be substitute the value. In the problem also you have to use it the values very important. Don't confuse this. But in the cross product I cross I you never get it because it is not possible to multiply I cross I. So that we didn't mention the point. Then if r cross equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then determinant r or modulus r equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. So sometimes in the problems they will ask, they will given the r vector, immediately they will use the determinant r also. Some functions we want to find it using this one. How to find the value means you make a square root both sides. It is r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Using this one, you do the differentiation, you can get it the value, and you can apply in the given function. Like this, you can use the problem. So that I have given n cap, it is a unit normal. What is the value of n cap means it is a del pi divided by determinant of del pi is the unit normal vector to the surface pi. Surface here is scalar. The pi means it is a scalar. And directional derivative using the unit normal we will write del pi dot n cap. Already you know the n cap value, this is one. You have to find the n cap value, then you do the dot product with the del pi, you can get it the directional derivative. So vector differential calculus, once again, scalar point function means it is related to the pi. Vector point function means it is related to the f. It is a f1i plus f2j f3k, you can get it. Using the scalar and vector, how we can use the values means it is one of the operator. Already you know I use the symbol. Del means I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. This is the value of the del. So in the del, using the scalar function means it is a gradient. Gradient of phi means it is a del pi. It is the value of I into dou by dou x. So you have to multiply each variable with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. You multiply pi. If you get it the value, it is a gradient pi. At the same time, if you do the del with the vector function means you will get it only scalar function. So tau f1, not the fully. In the ith component, only ith component. f1 only here, f2 here, f3 here. So this is a very important. Last one, del cross f, otherwise a curl f. The word name curl f, otherwise a del cross f. Already I told you a cross b f, how to find it. So it is a j, it is a k, not I mistake. I, j, k. But first is del values, and then vector function means vector values. If you do the expand the determinant, you can get it the value. So from these things you can find the value of del cross f. So once del dot f is equal to 0 means the function f is a solenoidal. And del cross f means you can get it the function f is a irrotational. Once again del cross f, otherwise curl f is equal to 0 means you can call that it is a conservative vector field. So del squared is equal to tau squared by tau x squared plus tau squared by tau y squared plus tau squared by tau z squared. How we can call this name means it is a Laplacian operator. Once del cross with the scalar function is equal to 0 means it is a harmonic function. Thanks so much dear. Next video we will meet very soon. Thank you.